In this class we are going to create a simple web page. That is why we need to have two major software. One is Notepad, that is text editor, and other is Google Chrome, which is web browser. Okay, I just type Notepad, which is by default installed into the Windows 10, and in Mac you can use any editor, any text editor. Okay, here you can see that we just type some code for creating a simple web page, and if we want to check it out the result of our web page in the web browser, so we need to have Google Chrome web browser. Okay, now I just start a code and maximize my Notepad text editor. Here I put down less than sign and greater than sign. In between I just type the name of tag, and I can read it as it is HTML tag surrounded angle brackets. Okay, we can also say that it is open tag. Okay, now if I want to close this tag, so I just simply the best add / in front of starting of angle bracket. Okay, this is complete HTML element. If we talk about one, it is tag. Okay, now in between the HTML main tag, main element, we use two section. One is head element and one other is body element. Okay, so whatever we type here, it display on the page of Google Chrome web browser. Okay, or any other web browser. Whatever we type here, just like test text, it display in the screen of web browser. Alright, so in head section we just perform some general tasks, just like we can add title, we can attach some style sheets and much more things, metas. So at this time I just add a title right here and give name my web page. Okay, so now I'm going to save it, going on file and click on save. At this time I just save it on desktop, or I can also save in the directory of my course. It will also support you as a classwork. Okay, so here I have a source code project folder. Here I need to add hello.html. This is first class and this is the first name of my source code file, or first HTML file. Okay, so HTML, it is the extension of the file of hello. I saved it. Now I'm going to check it out, what is the result of this hello page. You can say that I just type test text and my web page here. So it is the title of the web page and it is the contents of web page. Okay, here you can see we can also type this code in one line for understanding purpose, and for professional purpose we just use some standard method to create code just like this. Okay, now I'm going to add one more tag for making text bold. That is why I used to add bold tag. In other words, we can say that it is B tag or B element. This text is bold and it is starting. This is simple text. Okay, now I hit Ctrl plus S to save it, or you can go through on file and hit on save again. The file name is hello.html. Okay, I'm coming back on web browser, and here I don't need to open it once back again. I just click on reload this page option. So my page refreshed, and whatever coding I have saved in current time, it displayed on the output screen of web browser. This is simple text. This text is bold. Okay, so it means that whatever in between the B tag, it performed as a bold, means a fat text. Okay, I control to save it again. I hope you understand. If I want to make text as underline, I use another tag, name underline. I say that text is underline. Okay, I hit Ctrl S and coming back on my web browser and refresh this. You can see here the text is underlined. Whatever text in between this element, you can say that underline element, or you can say that U element. Okay, if I want to give line break from here and from here, I just add a break tag, which is BR tag. I just add here BR tag again to making line break again. Okay, I just Control S to save it, and here you can see when I refresh the code, I just check it out, the output of this code. Okay, so you easily understand that what is the mean of BR tag. BR tag basically used for to breaking the line wherever we put into the source code. Okay, this whole or this entire bunch of code considered as a source code. Okay, so when we saved it with .html file extension, it's known as a HTML file, or it is known as a single web page, and web page can be opened in web browser. Alright, so I hope it is enough for today, and I hope you understand very well what I mean and what I try to teach you. Okay, in next class we will conduct next topic with next plan. Alright, take care, bye bye.